Alright, so in this video, we're gonna learn how to send money with Wise. So the process is quite simple, just watch the video till the end in order to get it properly. Alright, so first of all, go to any of your browser and over there search for wise.com. So it will redirect you to Wise website, and over there first we have to create an account. So if you're a user of Wise, then simply go and log in with your account, but if you are not, then go and simply click on register. So either you can create your account with email address, or you can simply sign up with Google, Facebook, or with your Apple ID. So here I'm going to continue with Google, and after that we have to select account type. So you can just select according to yourself, and then we have to select our country, and after that we have to verify our phone number. So here enter your phone number and click on send verification, and they will set a verification code to your number, and you have to simply enter the code here. Alright, so after verifying, now we have to set a password, and you can see we can set a password with a minimum of 9 characters. Alright, so here we go. You can see we have successfully registered with Wise. Now one thing that I want to mention here is that if you want to send money to someone, that you must need to require that person's name, his email address, and his bank details. So in the case if you don't have these details, unfortunately you can't send any funds. Alright, so if you want to send money to someone who doesn't belong to your country, then you have to proceed with this international tab. Otherwise you can go for same currency. And in the case if you are proceeding with the international transfer, then in the first box you have to select your currency just according to your country or your bank, and in the second you need to select receptance currency, and that specific person whom you're sending will get in that currency. Alright, so after selecting currency, click continue. Now choose your account type, which we have selected before, and then you need to substitute your personal information, your name, address, etc. And again click continue, and here you can see under receptant we have two options. Either you can select myself to send money to another wallet, or you can choose someone else. And once you choose someone else, now we need the personal information of that person, and after substituting all of the details, your funds will be transferred. So this is basically how you can send money to someone over on Wise. I hope this tutorial helps you out. So all for today's video guys, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon and bye.